Hey everybody, this is Dee here, and I decided in the midst of all the craziness going on surrounding the coronavirus to shoot an impromptu video. I usually like to be more prepared, but I mean, it is what it is. Let's just do the real right now, It's getting real out here, and everyone seems to be in panic mode and in frenzy, and I'm doing something that I usually don't do. I don't have that many videos on my channel as of yet, but it's coming soon. From makeup to lifestyle to hair to health and sanitation, which is something I'm going to touch on today. It's coming, so stay tuned. But anywho, today what I'm going to be presenting to you all little Dollar Tree finds that I bought a couple of weeks ago, and I'm going to be going over that with you, showing you guys what I bought. And I'm also going to be showing you how to make homemade hand sanitizer. Now, I'm also an owner and a sole proprietor of a small business that I have, and I make body butters and bath bombs and lip chap and deodorant and stuff like that, all natural body products. And so I'm going to be showing you what to do and how to make, not a tutorial per se, but I'm just going to describe to you what to do. The tutorial can come next. I'm not prepared for that right now because I don't have the products in front of me, but I'm going to tell you how to make some natural sanitizers without including all these chemicals and everything that we buy from the store. But anywho, so okay, so here we go. I'm in my girls' room right now. Excuse the mess. I haven't made the bed yet. It's in the middle of the day. Things are kind of chaotic. But I'm going to be showing you just a couple. This is just one of the Dollar Tree trips that I've been on the past few weeks. And the other items packed up somewhere, so I'll get them out later and do another video, as well as later I'll be doing another video actually showing you like a tutorial on how to make natural products for your body and your household, and natural hand sanitizers, things like that. And then I'm gonna see if the kiddos and the hubby want to jump in and do like a little fun little learning video for the kids. Like, if you're bored in the house, you want the kids to stay in one place because they're running everywhere, eating up everything. Then hopefully we get to doing that soon too, whether it's Baby Shark or whatever, some of those popular dances. We'll be doing that as well. And so stay tuned. So here we go.